Adenoids, as I told you, usually present in the nasopharynx, and it happens that children usually get these problems because they disappear by the age of puberty. Now, if there is an extra enlargement or hypertrophy of the adenoids, it can cause two kinds of problems. Either the enlargement itself causes a lot of problem to the patients, or adenoiditis, which can get spread towards the sinuses or towards the nasal cavity or towards other areas like the pharynx or the larynx and cause problems that way. Or the size itself can block the quena as well as the eustachian tube opening and can cause otitis media and other problems.